Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. It should be in Google folder. When you find it, click on it. If you never used this app before, choose Continue. Tap on Allow. And finally, tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Then click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!